Whoa, whoa, whoa. So I had to take off the backpack. Be easy just to lift it. What's so interesting to me is it's 12:50, so basically it's 1 o'clock, and all the street vendors are just now starting to get up. I would imagine they would have done it at noon, but it looks like they might have relocated from somewhere else, or they just came from home. I'm not sure, but everyone's just setting up shop for a lunch rush, I suppose. I've seen that on YouTube. If the steak is not good, I won't take any money. All right, now this is more the vibe I'm looking for. Oh, those are the famous marshmallows I've been hearing about. You know, up to this point, I found a lot of coffee shops. So now I think this is the perfect time to find a coffee shop, just sit around and soak up the area. Shit. Damn it, I was already down here. I already walked through this. I already walked through this. I was over there. Crap. All right, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. So I ate the leftovers. I'm not really hungry, and now all these vendors are setting up shop with all this delicious food. But oh, look at this. I've already eaten. I was here earlier because I recognized this is the Lotte main headquarters in Korea. And honestly, I've seen enough market. I'm not, if you're a person that likes to shop and you really enjoy just buying stuff, then come over here. Myeongdong district is the place where you want to be. You want to be here if you like to shop. I, for one, don't like to buy a lot of junk. I don't like to buy a lot of random things. So even though it's a feast for the eyes, there's nothing that I really necessarily want. And the food is tempting, but I've already eaten. So I think I'm just gonna go look for some touristy spots. What the hell? Hongdae. Hold on. I think this is where I came out when I first came in here, which is the Hongdae Metro. Yeah. So it's gotta be around here. Because I came out and I asked for directions. This is where I originally started. So that means the Hongdae station's around here. Could that be it? Could this be it? Starbucks? Oh. I found Squid Game cookies. I so want to do that right now. Oh, do I do it? It's tempting. Oh, none of this food is ready. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, that smells so good. So, admittedly, I was going to hail, but it took me forever. I spent 2.5 miles just walking, browsing, and it was fun just browsing. But I looked on the map, and by the way, you got to get neighbor maps because Google Maps doesn't really work out here that well. You can pull it up, but it just doesn't locate you as well. It doesn't really give you the greatest directions. So I made it down to this 203 metro. It took me 2.5 miles to get here, and I'm going to take this thing to City Hall so I can check out the palace. And this is called Ujiro. Ujiro. See if I said it in Chinese with Ujiro, but it's Korean. Ujiro. Ujiro. Now, if you look, I'm holding my bag, these two bags, and my cell phone, and I have to unlock this DJI while I'm carrying a little handbag. And it's really difficult to do all of this when there's people pushing and shoving. I had to just stop and let the people pass, and I take a deep breath and take my time trying to navigate this. It's actually really simple to follow the instructions, but I tend to keep failing. Watch, look. Transfer to line 5, go that way. All right, everyone's saying transfer to line 5, which is what I'm doing. Go that way. Oh. I'm up, walking up these steps. I can already tell, just from this site, this was already worth all the trouble of going through all this metro. I'm already looking at this beautiful view. Hold on.